In this video, we're going to look how we would answer this type of question. So they give us the perimeter and they're asking us to find the value of an x. Now in the exam or in class, you may find that these type of questions come with a lot of words, but what they're really giving you is the perimeter, asking you to find the value of x, and have given you a few sides that involve x. So let's use past knowledge to see how we can solve this. So using what we have, I'm going to fill in the blanks here. This side's 2x, this side is also 2x. This side is x plus 6, this side would also be x plus 6. Now, 9 times out of 10 you get this information from text and always seem to forget to put the units. So make sure you do include the units, and it will have been centimetres if you're dealing with centimetres, if it was a nice question. Okay, let's have a look. So we know our perimeter equals 42. So 40, so you can see it on the camera. 42 equals, now to work out the perimeter, remember you start in one corner or on one side, you go all the way across, up, and you just add up the lengths of the sides around the shape. So that's what we're going to do, but using algebra. So start here, 2x, add x plus 6, come across here, add 2x, come down, add x plus 6. Now I have left the units out, otherwise this would be massive, but you should really include your units, but as long as you include them at the ends it should be fine. Okay, so 42 equals, I'm going to try and simplify this. To do this, you may have heard of collect like terms. That just means get all your x's together, get all your numbers together. So I've got 2x, an x, another 2x and another x. Add all them together, we get 6x. Remember, if x is on its own, there's a 1 in front that doesn't get written. So it's 2 add 1, add 2 add 1, 6x. Add, and then we're going to add our numbers together. 2 lots of 6, so that'll be 12. Now we're going to rearrange to find the value of x. So 42 equals 6x plus 12. That's what we had. Okay, so I've just repeated it again while I was talking it through. But we want to take the 12 over to the other side, because we've got to try and get x on its own. So if to add 12 on this side, we're going to take it over and it become a negative. So 42 take away 12 is 30, equals 6x. Now you want to get rid of the 6. Now obviously you don't get rid of it, but you've got to work out what's the 6 doing to the x, and we can see it's multiplying. So to take it over, we do the opposite, the inverse operation. So the inverse to multiplying will be to divide. So we're going to have 30 divided by 6, and that will give us x. We can simplify this, so it's 5 equals x. Now you normally write the x and then the value after it, so it'd be x equals 5, and this time I'm going to add in the units, 5 centimetres. Now in an exam, you can check you've done this right. So if we're saying x is 5 centimetres, we can check, so you know before you leave the exam whether you've done it right or wrong. And it also gives you a chance to fix it if you have done it wrong. So if x is 5, we come back here, 2 times x, so 2 multiplied by x. 2 lots of 5 is 10, so that will make that 10 centimetres. This side will also be 10 centimetres. X adds 6, so 5 adds 6 is 11, so this side is 11 centimetres. This side will also be 11 centimetres. And to work out the perimeter, you add all your sides together. So I'm going to add 10, add 11, add 10, add 11. Add that together and you do get 42. Remember our units were centimetres, 42 centimetres. What they told us the perimeter was. So you know you've done that question right.